This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering all photos into a single folder and confirming consistent format and color space. This reduces surprises. Once done, open Photoshop and choose File Scripts Load Files into Stack to bring images into one document as layers. Make sure to convert key layers to smart objects or use linked files so your adjustments stay non-destructive. This is essential because it lets you edit once and apply changes to every image without redoing masks or retouches. You now apply global corrections via adjustment layers, curves, exposure, and HSL, clipped to smart objects so every photo inherits the same base tweaks. Next, record an action for repetitive tasks like resize, sharpen, and noise reduction, then run it on a sample layer to confirm results. Once verified, stack select layers and use auto-align or auto-blend for perspective and focus consistency. Make local fixes with layer masks so selective adjustments remain precise. You finish by exporting all images using File Export layers to Files or Image Processor for multiple formats and quality settings. This lets you output consistent JPEG, TIFF, or PSDs quickly. Make sure to convert to the target color profile, usually sRGB for web, to prevent color shifts. If the process fails or Photoshop crashes, split the set into smaller batches, disable resource-heavy filters, and rerun actions. This troubleshooting keeps the workflow stable while preserving your edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.